Good morning guys, I hope you're all well. I wanted to vlog as much as I can this week because it's a very exciting week. As I'm sure you know, my book is out this Thursday, the 8th of March. This video will be going out a few days later on Sunday. And it's gonna be an absolutely crazy week. And it all kind of kicked off yesterday. I didn't vlog because I had no idea, but my family held me a surprise party, which I had absolutely no idea. I almost went round to my mum's in my tracksuit bottoms and Rich was like, oh, they're a bit gross, you should change. I was like, oh yeah, they are. I went round and like loads of my family and a few friends were there and they decorated it and there were like balloons that said the F word and a massive giant like blown up version of the cover of the book, and I felt really overwhelmed. We don't even really do things like that in my family, so it was really nice. My mum just can't stop saying how proud she is of me, and it's a really lovely, exciting time. I feel like I've really achieved something, and I know I've been talking a lot about the book on my YouTube channel and Twitter and stuff, but it's like possibly a once in a lifetime thing, and it was so much work that went into it. So I can't believe March 8th has finally come around. It felt like such a long way away when we first decided on this date. I can't believe it's actually here. So I'm going to be getting up to lots of cool stuff this week, and I'm going to be vlogging as much as I can. Today I am sending the book out to bloggers. Quite a lot of bloggers. We're doing some like gift boxes. I obviously wish I could do that for absolutely everyone, but we had like a limited amount based on like the products that are in the box. So we're doing a few gift boxes, and then I'm sending the actual book out to as many people as I possibly could. People who have been kind of part of my like blogging journey and who I think would really like the book. So I'm going to be going into Hodder to do that. I'm going to take them in some cupcakes, I think, just to say thanks to the marketing and PR team at Hodder. And then this afternoon I'm hosting my own radio show on Magic Chilled. You guys know I mentioned them in my February favourites video, and they actually got in touch to say, we love Lily, we're so happy she mentioned us, would she like to come in and host her own show? Which is mega exciting, very scary. I'm finding like the promo for the book really quite terrifying, but I feel like this one will be cool. Like, I like Magic Chilled, I get to pick my own songs, and I'm going to do like a little throwback session. So I don't know when that's going to be up because it's a pre-record, but if you follow me on Twitter, I'm sure I'll share it on there. Also, while I've got you, a lot of the events that I'm doing for the book, I'm announcing on Instagram stories, because if these videos are pre-filmed, I don't get the chance to mention them in there. But there's an event happening in Birmingham at my old university, Birmingham City Uni, that you guys can come to. Pretty sure it's free, and it's going to be kind of more of a in conversation with type thing. All the events I'm doing are quite different. So I'll put information down below on that if you are from Birmingham. And then I'm also going to be announcing some more Space NK events, another one in London, I think one in Leeds, Bristol, Glasgow, I'm not really sure, I can't remember, but I'll put everything I know now in the description box. If not, follow me on Instagram, especially Instagram stories, because that's where I will be announcing the events. But I'm pretty sure the London one sold out so quickly, so I think for the second London one, they're going to be taking the next people who emailed, so it's fair. Okay, I need to go have some breakfast because I am hungry. I need to fuel up for the day ahead. I'm very excited for this week. Okay, I'm in Hodder and I'm going to be signing all of these books for my favourite blogger friends. Let's do this. This is what this room is looking like right now. So we're packing up these boxes. We've got books, cards, photos. There's lots of elements. I'll show you once I've done one fully. Here's an example of one of the boxes. This is actually Caroline's box. I've got one for you, one for a friend. So 2 books, a little card with a picture of us. This mug is from Oliver Bonus, I love it. A little mini travel Jo Malone Blackberry and Bay candle, my favourite scent. 2 Glossier lip balms, one for you, one for a friend. And then these postcards, which I actually had made. So they say all different things that we kind of made up together. You're the Monica to my Rachel, you're the best thing about my job, sisters, the opinion you didn't ask for, I lied to you, I never liked him, and you're engaged, don't ask me to plan the hen. So that's what it looks like. I hope everyone really likes it. So we've packed up all the blogger boxes and sent them all out, all the books. Thank you so much to all the brands that helped out with that. Paper Chase, Jo Malone, Oliver Bonus, Glossier, I think that was it. Yeah, thank you to those guys. We're now on our way to Magic Chilled. I'm going to be doing the little session with them, so if it hasn't gone up by the time this video's gone up, I'll let you know, but if not, I'm sure it'll be online somewhere. I'm here with Louise. And we're gonna do a quick interview and play some good tunes. Okay, I'm home. The interview on Magic Chilled was really cool. It was super quick actually, because it was like a pre-recorded thing. But I think it's gonna sound really cool when it's like edited all together. So that's actually gonna be up on Wednesday night if you wanna tune in and have a listen and hear what my top picks were. There's some really good throwback songs in there, not gonna lie. It was so fun packing up all the boxes for bloggers today. I can't wait to see them all receiving them. And that's all for today. I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Oops, sorry guys, just checking in. It's Tuesday night and my friend Debs came over tonight for dinner and we actually did an Instagram live on my Instagram and I was meant to vlog it, but I completely forgot. Oops, I was meant to vlog every day today and I just forgot to vlog. So it's now Tuesday night. I'm taking my makeup off, as you can see, and I'm gonna wash my hair because it's so greasy, and tomorrow night is my Space & K event, so it's my first book event. I'm doing like quite a range of different events because it's really difficult. I want to see as many of you as possible, but then I also want it to be a nice experience. So any event that I'm hosting, that I've organised, I'm trying to make them as small as I can so I can actually talk to everyone. But a lot of the events which I'm not hosting, I've kind of been invited to, they're going to be really big, so it might be a little bit more kind of casual and less kind of personal. But I'm always torn between like meeting as many people as possible versus making it a really like nice, enjoyable experience where you guys get to chat to me. And I've learned from the past that 25 people is kind of my limit. Me and Anna did 50 at our Loxtown event, but there was 2 of us and we were very tired afterwards. So I'm doing like a range of different events where hopefully you guys can like join in. And the first one is tomorrow night at Space & K. So I'm very much looking forward to that, but I need to wash my hair because it is looking bad. So yeah, the Instagram live was really cool. Thank you to anyone who joined in. It was really fun. I definitely want to try and make that more of a regular thing if I can, but I always say that and then I always forget. Also, loads of bloggers started receiving their books today, which was so exciting, and so many people were so supportive and shared it on their Instagram. Like, I feel like for years I've attended people's book launches and it's crazy that it's now my turn, and it's so nice that people are being so supportive. Like, massive shout out so far, like Fleur, Lindsay, Lizzie, Anna, Caroline, who else has shared it? Susie, loads of people. I'm really excited to see everyone kind of gradually receiving them. So thank you to those people. I'm gonna go wash my hair, have a long hot shower, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it is Wednesday and I'm wearing the dungarees again. Sorry, I can't stop wearing these dungarees from Hush, I love them. My friends Gemma and SJ came over this morning and they bought me the most insane cake. I will show you when I go downstairs. God, my friends are just being so lovely this week. It's making me really emotional. I'm struggling to handle all the attention, but it's so nice. I'm going to show you the cake. Very, very sweet of them. I'm now getting ready for my Space & K event this evening. It's actually not until, I don't need to be there till 6 and it's 2 o'clock. So I might go into town early just because I don't want to kind of sit here and get a bit like tired. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm doing my makeup. I've just done my base. I used the Fenty foundation with a little bit of the Hourglass as well because I want my makeup to really last. I've done Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula by Terry Blush, a little bit of Becca Moonstone highlighter, and now I think I'm gonna do the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette on my eyes. What am I wearing? I'm wearing like a black polka dot shirt. So I'm going to do like a really nice warm eyeshadow. I'm watching the Kylie Jenner baby video again. It's only the second time I've watched it. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but it's just making me emotional. And that's about all I've got to update you on now. I'm just going to finish off my makeup. I'm going to put some waves into my hair, I think. And then I'm going to wear high-waisted jeans with a polka dot shirt. And I think boots, which I'll probably change into when I get there. I'm really excited. This is probably the first event. I think this might be the first event I've ever done by myself because I always do it with Anna. So it's very weird. I think it's going to be really strange to not have her there, but the format will be slightly different and I'm just really excited. Everyone's like starting to receive their books and it's so exciting. Okay, I'm going to get ready I'm gonna use this palette. I will chat to you guys in a little bit. God, does anyone else always get concealer creasing on their eyelid? Oh my god, my hair is far too curly, but I know it will drop out. So last night I did an Instagram live, and so many of you guys were saying how much you want the postcards I sent out in the blogger send out. Basically, I've decided that with the ones I've got left over, I'm gonna bring them tonight to the Space NK event to put in the goodie bags, and I think we're gonna get some reprinted to give them out at my book events if I can. Basically made up lots of bundles so I can bring them with tonight for the event. This is what the cake looks like. Apparently it's not a cake, it's like hollow inside. It's just all these different types of chocolates and sweets, like all of my favorites. So around the edge they've done dairy milk, because I love dairy milk. That's a flake, it says the F word. It's got like strawberries in there, Smarties, minstrels, literally all of my favorite chocolates and sweets. So generous of SJ and Gemma. I'm gonna take it with, I'm having like a little friends and family party tomorrow night. I'm gonna take it with because it looks amazing, but I also kind of don't want to share it, so I'm torn. But there's no way I could eat all of this alone. My friend Hannah popped over because she's here from Australia for a few weeks. Complete coincidence that the timing's worked out. So it's so nice to see her. She popped over for a cup of tea, and now I'm in town. I'm a bit early for the Space NK event, so I'm just getting some sushi and itsu, and then I'm gonna head over. Here's Space NK. I haven't been to this one in so long. Guys, look at this setup. How cool. They've got my books out, and that's me. Oh, Space NK always do such a good job. I love it. I'm gonna be doing a little Q&A here. Everyone's gonna be standing here. Just finished. I'm in the Space NK stock room. That was so good. I'm going to talk about it when I get home. I had the best night. I am home now and I had such a great evening. It was so nice having Abby, who's my literary agent, who got me the book deal. It was so nice having her kind of ask me the questions. I felt really relaxed. And then everyone that was there tonight was so nice, and they were asking such great questions, and I felt like we were just having a really interesting chat. Like, obviously it's nice doing beauty events, but when you're just talking about lipstick and stuff, it's obviously a bit different to people asking like questions about friendship, and I just found it so interesting. And I met so many lovely girls, so many people came by themselves and made friends, which you guys know I love. And just thank you to anyone who came, because I really, really enjoyed it. That's probably one of my favorite events I've ever done, and I'm just like buzzing now. I just came home, Rich just got back from work as well, so we're making some late night dinner, just chicken nuggets, really nothing exciting. I can't believe tomorrow is the day that my book officially comes out. It is crazy. How has this come around so quickly? I can't wait. It's gonna be quite a busy day with like 2 quite scary interviews, but then a really fun party in the evening, so better get some sleep. Good morning, it's publication day. I can't believe March 8th is finally here. It's International Women's Day, one of my favorite days of the year. I love seeing everyone share photos and memories of people who kind of inspire them, or people in their real life that they want to celebrate, and it felt like the perfect day to release a book about all the women in my life that I love. And I can't believe the book is out today. I've got such a jam-packed day. I'm going to do a radio interview, then I'm going to go to Waterstones to see the book in the store in Piccadilly, then I'm going for lunch with my team, like my editor and managers, and then I've got another interview. I'm doing like this AOL Build live interview thing, and then I'm having a little party tonight for some family and friends and a few blogger friends. It's gonna be such a fun day. I'm wearing this shirt from Lily and Lionel, and then I've bought the polka dot shirt that I wore last night to change into for tonight. It's so weird seeing all of your photos. You guys are like sending me pictures of the book that's arriving, and now I just can't wait for you guys to read it and tell me what you think. I won't know like if I'm in the charts or anything until next week, I don't think, but I just can't wait to hear people's thoughts. Really, that's what I'm most excited for. So yeah, publication day. I'm an author. I am officially an author. How crazy. So I actually bought presents for Abby, Lucy, Millie and Bryony, just to say thank you for like getting me to this day. So I'm excited to give them these, some Diptyque candles. Just got to Waterloo Station and we saw foils and we were like, let's just go and check. Oh my god, look, it's in like Wonder Woman section. Oh my god, this is crazy. Look guys. Ah! First thing I am doing today is a pre-recorded interview with Penny Smith on Talk Radio, so I'm looking forward to that. We're just in a cafe waiting. I have no idea how long or short this is going to be, but I'm always glad when it's a pre-record because live is really scary. I'm just waiting for Penny to arrive. This is the little room that we're going to be recording the session in. Fancy mics and headphones. It's very scary. Such a lovely interview. Penny Smith is the most lovely lady ever. And that's going to be up on Wednesday the 20th?
Sunday the 25th.
Sunday the 25th. If you want to tune in, have a listen, I think in the morning, but I'll tweet it and let you guys know. We're now going to Waterstones Piccadilly to have a look at the book, maybe sign some books. It's gonna be great. This is the Waterstones that we came to when I first started talking about doing the book, and we looked at different covers and we sat and had a meeting. So it's very exciting to be coming back here to see the book. We're getting in the lift, but look, there's someone there. So that was fun. I went into Waterstones and signed some copies, saw the book in the store, and now we're going to go for a little celebratory lunch, which will be really nice. I think it's Italian.
To Lily,
thank you.
the women, to all of you guys.
Okay, we're just walking around the shops because we're a little bit early, but I'm going to be going to AOL Build, doing a little like live Q&A session with some people there, and it's going to be streamed online. And the people in after me are all the judges from The Voice, so Ollie Murs, will.i.am, Jennifer Hudson and Tom Jones, so I'm definitely going to stick around and see if I can meet them. I know, it's crazy. It's been such an exciting day. I'm so happy. And I just feel like there's not enough people celebrating female friendship. We talk a lot about love and romantic relationships, but not really about the love we feel for our female friends. So I just wanted to get more people talking about it, really. That was really, really nice. The girl interviewing me was lovely. It was very quick. But yeah, hopefully it was good. I don't know if any of you guys tuned in to watch it. We're going to have a quick look at Waterstones because this is my new favourite game. And then I'm going to go back to Gleam, do my hair and makeup for tonight, chill, and then eat some pizza. I'm in Gleam and Rich is here and Anna, who's on the phone to Mark. Everyone's coming. I'm so excited. Mark's coming all the way up from Brighton.
Mark has such bad FOMO. He's like, I'll come meet you now. I'll come meet you now.
We have to get a boomerang and our matching coats. So we're in Home Slice. You guys know this is one of my favourite places in London, so I couldn't think of anywhere better to have a little get together with my family, friends, and then there's like 5 bloggers coming. We didn't really want to do a press thing, it's more just like a clink of champagne. Oh, I'm very out of focus. And we also have some donuts from Dum Dum. Oh my god, look how cool! The F Word by Lily Pebbles. Thank you so much, Dum Dum. These are really cool.
They're cutting into the epic cake, picking it apart. These two, obviously.
We're walking back from the best evening ever. I've got a massive book cover. We're going on the tube with my sisters and Rich and Hannah. Lucy's going to Goose Street. I don't know why that information is important. I can't even tell you how lovely this evening was, having all of my friends and family, but then also kind of my book team and a few blogger friends there. It was so nice to have everyone in one place. I really, really loved it. Bryony did a little speech, I did a little speech, and it was just all perfect, and we all ate lots of pizza. I didn't eat enough pizza, I knew I wouldn't. It felt like my wedding day, and I didn't eat enough. So I'm a little bit hungry now, but it's midnight. I need to take my makeup off and go to bed. I've actually got a day off-ish tomorrow. I need to edit this vlog, but we're gonna be doing lots of house admin stuff. And I haven't got any sort of press things, which is nice. This whole day has been a dream. I can't wait to like just look through my phone and see all of your comments. I read all of my DMs on Instagram. They're really difficult to reply to, but I read them all. So if any of you are sending me messages about what you think about the book, I'm reading it and just loving them all. So thank you so much. What a day. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye.